The growing mechanical keyboard shows how much typists and gamers value precision and comfort. And similarly, handheld massagers have become a must-have for muscle recovery and relaxation. Whether for athletes, office workers, or anyone with sore muscles, these tools relieve tension effectively. This guide evaluates the best options based on power, portability, build quality, noise level, and value to help you pick the right massager for your needs. List number: Bob & Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun, Pocket-sized deep tissue massager gun. The Bob & Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun is perfect for those seeking powerful relief in a small package. Designed by two professional physical therapists, it combines therapeutic-grade power with ultra-portability. Its compact size fits easily into a bag, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Despite its small stature, the Q2 delivers impressive percussion, helping to break up knots and improve circulation. The ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, and its quiet operation makes it suitable for use at home, at the gym, or even in the office. With multiple speed settings and interchangeable heads, it adapts to different muscle groups and preferences. If you want professional-level relief from a device you can carry anywhere, the Q2 is a standout choice. List 2. nepq Mini Massage Gun. Powerful fascial gun, portable deep tissue percussion muscle back head massager for pain. The nepq Mini Massage Gun offers an excellent balance of affordability, power, and portability. Designed to target sore muscles and stiff fascia, it comes equipped with a robust motor that delivers strong yet comfortable percussion. Its lightweight build makes it easy to maneuver and carry, perfect for those with an active lifestyle. Multiple attachments and speed settings allow you to customize the massage for different muscle groups, whether it's your back, legs, neck, or shoulders. It's quiet enough for use in shared spaces, yet powerful enough to help with deep tissue recovery. If you're looking for an economical option without sacrificing performance, the nepq Mini Massage Gun is worth considering. List number: Massage Gun, Deep Tissue Percussion Back Massager Gun for athletes, Muscle Massage Gun for pain relief. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts who need reliable deep tissue relief, this massage gun delivers a strong, targeted massage that penetrates deep into muscle tissue. Built with a durable motor, it provides consistent, high-powered percussion, perfect for post-workout recovery or chronic tension relief. The adjustable speed settings and variety of heads make it easy to tailor your massage to specific areas and needs. Its ergonomic design ensures a firm, comfortable grip, even during extended use. Quiet operation means you can use it in almost any environment without disturbance. This massager strikes a great balance between professional-level performance and ease of use, making it a favorite among those who train hard and recover smart. List number: Toloco Massage Gun, Deep Tissue Back Massage for athletes for pain relief, Percussion Massager with 10. The Toloco Massage Gun is a powerhouse with versatility to match. Designed specifically for athletes and those who experience regular muscle soreness, it comes with 10 different attachments to target every muscle group effectively. With multiple speed levels, it allows you to customize intensity for both sensitive and tough areas. The build is solid yet comfortable, and the long battery life ensures you can get several sessions before needing a recharge. Despite its strong motor, it operates quietly, allowing discreet use even in quieter spaces. The included carrying case makes it easy to transport, whether to the gym or on trips. For anyone who needs a high-performing, customizable massage tool, the Toloco delivers excellent value. List 5. Toloco Massage Gun, Deep Tissue Back Massager for athletes with 10 massage heads. Electric muscle percussion massager for any pain relief. Another strong entry from Toloco. This model also features 10 massage heads and a powerful motor, perfect for full-body muscle relief. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to reach tricky areas like the lower back and shoulders, while the wide range of intensity levels ensures you can adjust the massage to your comfort level. The durable construction and quiet operation make it feel premium, while the affordable price point keeps it accessible. A long battery life and convenient carrying case round out the package, making it one of the most versatile and dependable handheld massagers on the market. If you're looking for a dependable device for daily use with plenty of customization, This toloco model won't disappoint.